Wibbly wobbly screen is what we can see as we speak. But in the last few minutes, I think a couple of stocks that have done well from the oil and gas space. ONGC has moved up. BPCL as well has spiked up a little bit. So that's good news. So the Nifty continues to reel under some pressure down close to around 80 points odd. But Nimesh, first up, did you hear anything about any kind of big selling? Why did we see such a big dip? And what are the flows picture looking like?
Well, so no specific reason for a sharp sell-off. Looks to me more like a profit booking.
Okay.
And far for the course, right? We've seen such a big rally in the PSU basket. A lot of the mid-cap stocks have rallied pretty hard. So looks like some bit of profit booking has happened in the broader markets in today's trade. No specific news that I have picked up on a specific sell-off. So that's the overall feedback. But again, from an institutional point of view, the activity still seems to be on the sell side. So that's a feedback that again, institutions are on the better sellers, and that's been the trend for the last many days as well. So FIs again looks like there will be a sell figure from the FIs in today's trade as well. I guess from the broader markets, well, the index is recovered, but there is the advanced decline has turned a bit negative in today's trade. There are a lot of individual names which are under pressure today, and looks like more of profit booking. But broadly, again, as I said, the institutional activity continues to be on the sell side.
Okay, all right. What about individual stocks? What are you picking up?
Well, so in terms of individual names, the first stock on the list is RBL Bank. That's been buzzing off late. In fact, we saw a big spike in today's trade after a bit of cool-off as well. Some smart HNI investors seems to be quite active buyers as well in RBL off late. And the street is anticipating a corporate development very soon. So that's keeping the stock exciting in today's trade. The second name is Spicejet. For the second day running, big volumes of that stock as well. I think on Friday the stock was up 15-16% and on large volumes. So in Spicejet, the anticipation is that maybe you'll see another round of fund infusion from some large investors in Spicejet very soon. So that's the trigger there. The third stock is Shilpa Medicare. Been buzzing off late, but I understand the company was on a roadshow all of last week, met some large investors as well. And maybe there could be some fundraising in Shilpa Medicare very soon. The last name is Jubilant Foodworks. That's been under pressure post earnings. Numbers are a bit weak, but looks like some large long-only investors are active sellers, and hence even in today's trade, there are sell flows. So expect high delivery volumes in Jubilant Foodworks.
All right. Nimesh, thanks very much for that. So interesting list of stocks.